I am taking the subject of English, and today's topic is very interesting topic, that is LSWR. Do you know what is mean by LSWR? Yes, I think you know. L means listening, S means speaking, W means writing, R means reading. In LSWR, our first letter is L. So L means listening. So our first topic is what is listening. Do you know what is listening? And what is listening? The process of receiving, constructing meaning from, responding to a non-verbal message. To hear something thoughtful, attention. And our next topic in listening is importance of listening. Importance of listening. Communication is not complete without effective listening. An attentive listener simulates better speaking by the speaker. Listening on the job is not only frequent, it is very important as well. And in our next topic in listening is techniques of listening. In techniques of listening, the first point is pay attention. You have to pay attention when, for example, if we take a situation in class, the teacher is teaching about listening. So you have to pay attention to the teacher that what she or he is saying. If she or he asks you anything, you can easily have to answer it. So you have to pay attention. If you pay attention, you can easily understand what she or he is saying. And our second point is show that you are listening. Provide feedback. Example, I have taken in a situation in a class. See, suppose any principal is coming, he or she will ask that you have to give feedback about your teachers, how they are teaching. So if you have to give the feedback, first you have to listen. If you listen how they are telling, you can give the feedback immediately. Our fourth point is defer judgment. Our last point in techniques of listening is respond appropriately. Our last but not the least topic in listening is why should we listen. After listening all these topics, techniques of listening, what is listening and importance of listening, you can have a doubt that why should we listen. Listening has been one of the key methods in learning for a very long time. Listening to our elders, teachers, is also important in studies. I told that we have to listen to our elders, teachers, and it's also important in studies. Listening is very important in studies. See, suppose if I give an example, your elders will be saying that you have to do that thing. You should not do that. You should not touch that. You have to do that thing particularly at this time. So they will be giving some restrictions to you. And an example again for you is teachers. In your school, your teachers will say you have to write this. You have to write this answer to that question. You should not write this answer to that question. Yes, you are right. So these teachers in schools also they will be giving some like this restrictions. And the next, it's also important in studies. How means if teacher is saying if we will not listen, we cannot understand it properly. If teacher asks any question or in exam, we cannot do it properly. And LSWR, our second letter is S. S means speaking. In speaking, our topic is what is speaking. So many of you don't know what is speaking. Speaking means an action of conveying information or expressing one's feeling in a speech. Our next topic in speaking is our speaking skills. In speaking skills, our first point is casual conversation. Casual conversation means talking to a friend with like, hi, how are you? And give an example that Ramu is speaking that Ravi. So Ramu says to Ravi that, hi, how are you? See, speaking means which we convey to everyone. So Ramu says Ravi that, hi, how are you? Then Ravi have to reply Ramu. He says, I'm fine. Hi, how are you? Next point is public speeches. Our next point is conversation tasks. And the next point is talking about local topics. In LSWR, our third letter is W. So W means writing. Our topic is what is writing. What is writing? Writing is a medium of human communication that involves the representation of a language with symbols. In LSWR, our last letter is R. R means reading. So our topic is what is reading. What is reading? Reading skills is the ability of an individual to read. The possession of a good reading skill will enable the individual to be able to assimilate or written text within a short period. Our next topic in reading is why is reading important? Why is reading important? Reading is a fundamental to function in today's society. Reading is important because it develops the mind. Reading develops the imagination. Reading is a vital skill in finding a good job. Yes, reading is a vital skill in finding a good job because nowadays all the companies are software companies, so their English is very important. Our last but not the least topic is verbal and non-verbal communication in LSWR. What is verbal communication? Many of you don't know what is verbal communication. Verbal communication is how if we talk, other person can easily understand. So that is verbal communication. I will give an example. Example of verbal communication. See here you can see a conversation going on. His name is Ravi and his name is Ramu. Here Ravi says to Ramu that, hi. This is a verbal communication. Why it is called verbal communication? Because what Ravi says, Ramu can understand it easily. Then Ramu gives a written message that, hi, how are you? This is a verbal communication. Now we come to the next topic is non-verbal communication. You know what is meant by verbal communication. Verbal communication means if we talk to anyone, they can understand this easily. So it is quite opposite that non-verbal communication means if we do any expression, other person cannot know that quickly. It takes much time. So this is the non-verbal communication. I will give an example that, see here if you observe that there are three smileys. What they are telling us means, see this first smiley is smiling. He is or he laughing. And the next one is, this will be in rainbow shape and it is sad. And our next one is crying. He is crying. And I think you have enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a nice day.